What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got my boy's 8th gen Civic Si, super freaking clean. We're gonna be modding this baby up today. We're gonna be installing some blinking taillights, super clean JDM type of mod. So let's get into it. We got my boy Oem But. This is his car. All right, guys, so we're just gonna show you the interior of this thing real quick. Super clean. He's just giving it a little clean right now before we install this thing. So, you know, you got the classic wheel, nice red logo. And like I said, this has been his daily. She's at 124K miles. Oem But, what'd you buy this thing with?
30K.
30K, holy shit. So, these cars, like I said, super freaking reliable, man. It's such a daily, such a classic, super awesome. Super freaking clean. I love the Pioneer touchscreen. It's got Apple CarPlay as well. He added some carbon fiber trim. Very well done. Super clean. This baby does have the Skunk 2 exhaust on it. Sounds mint. Really does. Just catback exhaust on this thing. That's it. Perfect daily. All right, guys, so he's got some bulbs, so you're gonna want to take these clips out, and then you're gonna want to pop, obviously, you know, the liner, so you can access the taillight headlight, the taillights, I mean, bulbs, and then we'll switch those batteries out. All right, guys, so here's the new taillights. Super easy install. Like I said, it should just be an easy swap out. So, oh yeah. Alright, guys, so you're gonna want to take this clip out. The sun's killing it right here. This clip out, this clip out. You're probably not gonna need to take that clip out on the right side, so 2 clips on each side, and then you should be able to get access. Em just pulled up. Clean. Ooh, shit. Some flutter? Shit. Alright, guys, we got all the clips out. Yep, there it is. You just spin that. You spin it to the left clockwise. Counterclockwise, and then you just pull it out, and there's your bulb. And then you just want to obviously want to pull that bulb out and switch it with your new one. And by the way, guys, we'll drop the link in the description to these bulbs if you guys want to, you know, add your blinking brake light and tail lights.
In the crate?
Yeah. Nice. Cool. That's it. Came right out like a charm, baby. Wow, look at that. That's an upgrade and a half. Take that bulb out. And you pop this bad Larry in. Now you get that baby back in there. Easy as that. Hell yeah. Wow, that's gonna be way brighter too, dude. You can tell those are LEDs. Yep. In, and then you just bink. All done. Left side done. Now let's tackle the right side. All right, guys. So before we, put the clips back, we're gonna, test out the brake lights, make sure everything's working, man, and we don't have to, make any adjustments or anything. So let's see these things. Yo, that's badass, Eric. Oh yeah, that's sick. Oh, it's definitely working. Is the right side working? Oh yeah, it is. Oh yeah, dude. Alright guys, so the freaking taillights are actually dope as hell. I think they look freaking mint. That's such a freaking dope mod. Cheap mod, no Eric? How much was it?
Oh yeah, it was like 10-15 bucks.
Oh my god, 10-15 bucks. So it's freaking 10-15 bucks. Super easy install. Like, literally took us about, I don't even know, 15-20 minutes, not even. He was cleaning up his car a little bit too while we were doing the install. So super easy. Like I said, we highly recommend this. Looks freaking awesome. So hell yeah, guys.